Watch this video and you will know exactly how to do copy paste while using Word. For this demo, left side is source, right side is destination. So I'm going to copy from left and paste it on the right side. Notice that the colors, fonts, styles, everything is different in the two documents. So when I paste, what happens depends on default paste. Here what happened? This green became orange. This font was changed. This heading style, heading 2, looks like this now. So what happened just now? In order to understand that, look at this icon, click on it. There are many options, and once you understand these options and when to use them, you will never make a mistake. So what is this option? It's called Use Destination Theme. Theme means colors and fonts and styles. If you go to font color, for example, you will see 10 colors being shown here. That's called the color palette. Similarly, if you open the font drop down, you will see two types of fonts, one for heading, one for body. In this theme, both are same. Now, if you compare the colors, for example, on this side, the color which is shown here, seventh one, is orange. Whereas if I go to this theme and compare the same color, number 7 color is green. It's actually not replacing the color. It's saying, okay, whatever is in slot number 7, that will be applied here. Same way for fonts. So that's called match destination style. And generally, when you're copy pasting from two differently formatted Word documents, this is a good idea. Now, in some cases, you want to be retaining the original. Now, what do? Do not undo. Yes, commonest mistake, undo. No, just click on that icon and ask Word to keep the original. That's it. The third one is merge formatting. That only keeps things which have meaning like bold, italic, table structure. Everything else matches the destination. The fourth option is in case you want to keep it as picture. Now it looks same, but this is actually not text at all. It's a picture. This is not very useful here, but in some cases it may be relevant. And the last one is just take the text and put it. So there you have it. Multiple options available. Depending on the context, you choose the option you want. That's good, but the default should be what I want. Now what do? There is an option given right there. Set default paste. It opens the options dialog and shows you copy paste options. Now what you would expect is one drop down with 4 or 5 options, but here it is a little more complex. Why? Because we were right now looking at only one kind of scenario where we are pasting between two Word documents and their styles and themes are different. If that is the case, this is the default. Don't like the default, change it. Now look at the other one, pasting from other programs. Very commonly, we paste from Excel. Now there, you probably want the Excel formatting to be kept. So in this case, you say source formatting. So although it looks complex on the face of it, actually it's really well thought out and customizable exactly to your requirements. And then there are two other things within the document. Usually you will keep source formatting and pasting between documents, but here and here the difference is no style conflict. So go with the default if you want, change the default, and then you will never have a problem. There is another situation where I am copy pasting from somewhere and I want to keep the link. So for that to happen, you have to go to Home tab, go to Paste, drop down, Paste Special, and then say Paste Link. Now what happens? This looks like match destination formatting. Agreed. But look at what happens now. I am going to change this. And now what happens? If I right click here and say update link, you see, this happens. So every time you want the source to reflect in the destination, use paste link. Now that you have understood different types of paste, how do you paste efficiently? Well, there is a mouse way and there is a keyboard method. Don't paste first. Go to the place where you want to paste it and right click. Now it will show you all the paste options, and then while you hover on it, it will actually illustrate. If you click here, this is what will happen. If you click here, this is what will happen. So it's like a visual what if analysis. And then you choose exactly what you want. And while you are doing it, start noticing those shortcuts which are in the brackets. Keep text only means text, picture means you, and so on. So now the most optimal method is right click and now T for keep text only. So as you get used to it, you become more efficient. In case you did the default paste with just Control V and then you wanted to change your mind, press CTRL or command on the keyboard and you know the shortcut. So let's say I want source formatting, which is K. So Control and then K. And a recent shortcut was added. Paste is Control V, but now we have Shift Control V, which keeps text only. Shift Control V works in Excel as well. So what have we learned? Various different methods of pasting and the method of changing the defaults. I'm sure you found this useful. So like this video first and share it with as many people as you can because everyone needs to know this. I have a lot more interesting videos about Word. Have a look at those as well. That's it for now. See you next time. Thank you.